Hi, today in front of you Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. Let's first open the settings and then go to the sounds and vibration. Here click the volume section and to change ringtone volume with the slide to the right side this dot on ringtone volume panel. Also, we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but first turn off this switcher to use volume keys for ringtone. And now, by pressing the up or to the down volume button, we'll just successfully change the ringtone volume. Also, we can make it with our finger by slide to the up or to the down volume button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.